apps. It's Baja shredded chicken that you can use for tacos, nachos, enchiladas, whatever your favorite Tex-Mex is. It starts with chicken breast, ground cumin, brown sugar, green chilies, and salsa. Red salsa, you just load it into the slow cooker like that. This is how you would make it for the freezer. I like to do make one, freeze one for the freezer with a meal like this. It's just adding the same ingredients into a bag and then sealing it up like that. You can freeze it, thaw it, and then slow cook it later. Once it's finished slow cooking the day away, you can put it into a bowl and shred it with a couple of forks, just like you see there. And then it is ready for the tortillas. But first, we got to toast them. I love a good warm toasted tortilla with a soft, sweet and spicy shredded chicken, just like that. I'm going to top this off with a pico de gallo, and we have a beautiful, easy, simple, affordable weeknight dinner.